In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your battery on your Mercedes-Benz C300. It's located under the hood. The battery is underneath this cover. You're going to see your red slide here for when you need a jump start. But the battery is under here. So you're going to flip up these three. There's one here, and one here. These three hold downs. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to do so. And once you get those unhooked, you're going to take this cover off. Set it aside. We're going to use a 10mm socket, and we're going to take off our negative battery terminal. For us, it's right here. I'm going to loosen up this nut. You're going to notice the terminal getting loose and take it off. After you remove your negative battery terminal and put it off to the side, you're going to remove your positive using a 10mm socket. I'm going to loosen this up. Once it's loose enough, you're going to take it off and set that aside as well. And put mine under here, get it out of the way. Using a 13mm socket with a long extension, we're going to take out these two bolts. You can remove your hold down now. I'm going to leave my bolts right in there. I just picked up the whole thing. Set it off to the side. Now we can remove our battery. Put it in position. And now we're going to put our hold down in. I recommend putting your bolts in first. Make sure this lip is going to catch on that lip on the battery. So slide it down, line it up. Get your bolt started. You may need to slide your battery over in order for it to line up correctly. Snug those up. Check to make sure your battery is good. Doesn't move anywhere. And now we're going to put our terminals back on. I'm going to do the positive one first. Make sure it's tight, it doesn't move, and then you can do your negative. Tighten it up. Make sure it's tight. Make sure it doesn't move. And now we're going to put our cover on. Make sure both of these are out and your spring is up. Your spring clip. Now you're going to put this over the battery. Just make sure everything's out of the way. Snap it on. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.